Servus and hello, my name is Luis and this will be the end of the vlog. We're stopping the vlog because of one, numbers, and two, because it's taken a lot of strain on the system and it's not worth to do it anymore, and it's really unnecessary at the moment. We will do a vlog where a vlog could be had like next year if I'm not sick around Formnext. I will obviously vlog from Formnext, or if I go to any other place and it's actually worth of filming, I will do a vlog there. It's just not good to do it continuously if you have nothing, if you have barely anything to talk about. If I would have like 3 million subscribers and I would have like a big business and there's always something to do, I could do that, like Wormwood does, but I do not have that currently. So we're working with what we got, which is barely anything. So there will be only one video a month. In the grand scheme of things, works better for my channel anyways. All of the other videos, like the how to save your screen videos, are doing way better than all of the vlogs combined. So it's just a smart business decision to do that. I'm going to give you the teaser for, well, tease it to you verbally because the video is not ready yet. December video will be a video about the Soraitec glow in the dark resin, which Soraitec have kindly provided to me. We're finally wrapping things up after having it for a bit of time, and then in January there will be a video about the Saturn III Ultra 12K. That's it for the next 2 months. We will see each other in the next video. My name is Luis from TNH Group. I wish you a wonderful Christmas season. Tschüss und auf Wiedersehen.